Hello everyone, welcome to Biscuit Hacks. This is a brand new channel and we've started operations just to help our users and our viewers get access to some free learning courses. Now these free learning courses are courses that are otherwise paid courses, but since we have the codes to convert them to free courses with certifications, you can benefit immensely. So let's start with some courses that can be valuable for students, freshers, and people who are a part of office, the office staff. So basically, office executives. We're not looking at courses that are, specific, for experts or specialists. So we won't be looking at IT courses or web development and anything of that sort. We'll be looking at courses that can help the everyday office user to gain some new skills. So let's start. The first course is SAP for beginners. A lot of offices are making use of the SAP ERP systems. So this will not give you an in-depth knowledge about what SAP is, but for beginners it will give you a good information. It's a good course to begin with. It's 2.5 hours of on-demand video along with the certification. All right, and here is where you can see the code. So the code is SAP hyphen for hyphen free. Unfortunately, you have only 2 days to enroll for this course, so make sure that you do this as soon as possible, because after 2 days this code will no longer be valid and you'll probably miss out on this course. So let's move on to the next course. Yeah, the next course is SEO Training 2021, a complete SEO course, and it's more relevant for WordPress SEO Yoast. Now, this is a course that is quite extensive, about 31 hours of on-demand video. So, given the length of the course, I think it will cover a lot of information. It will come in handy for a lot of people. And then SEO course is not only for people who are office executives, it will come in handy for people who want to start off their own online digital businesses as well, right? And online is obviously the way to go in this new normal. So if you want access to this course, which is actually priced at 8,640, if you want to convert this to free, here is the code that you need to apply. It's goodness 6 times 7. Let's move on to the next course. The next course is for office executives who will need, I mean, right now you're using PowerPoint, Excel, and all of this for your data visualization. This is for the people who want to take their data visualization a couple of notches higher, or in fact 10 notches higher. So this is Tableau Masterclass, Master Data Visualization with Tableau. This is a 10 hours course with the on-demand video. You'll actually get full lifetime access if you enroll for this class. Unfortunately, there's less than a day time that you have with you to enroll for this course. The coupon code is right here. It's Tableau free. Please make sure that you enroll for this as quickly as possible. The next course is something that is nice to have. It's not something that is very essential. It's only 44 minutes. So time management mastery, boost productivity and save time. You've got 1 day to enroll for this course, after which the code will no longer exist. The code is a little complicated, so please make note of this. You could probably take a screenshot of this video and apply it as per your convenience. All right. The next course again is it's a course that could probably come in handy. Can't say for sure. It's called the Gmail Productivity Ultimate Course 2021. It's got 3 hours of on-demand video and 2 articles. You will get full lifetime access to this course if you apply this code. The code for converting this course to free is try 10 free 62103. Here again, you can take a screenshot of this video and you'll be able to apply this code. Just one day for you to use this code and enroll successfully. Our next course is for the people who are finance background, who want to gain some knowledge on financial ratios. Very extensive 14 hours course with 24 downloadable resources. So you obviously get a certificate of completion with all of these courses, not just this one. For all of these courses, all you need to do is apply this code. Okay, so you've got one day to apply this. Make sure if you're interested in this course, enroll for it as quickly as possible. Next one again for corporate finance. This is forecasting and budgeting. 8.5 hours of the course. To get this course for free, here is the code. Alright, moving on to the next course. Now this is a course it's actually a beginner's course on Python. So although Python is something that was previously thought of as an IT specialist or a coding specialist course, in today's time it's coming in handy for people across functions. And if you know how to use Python, even at a basic level, I think it gives you a lot of power at the workplace. So this is the course you should definitely not miss. Maybe enroll for it. See if you can grasp anything. If you can, great for you. 7 hours of on-demand video in this course, and the coupon code you need to apply is discudemy.com. Make sure you apply for this course as soon as possible because there is less than 1 day. And now on to the last course for today. This one is on copywriting for people who want to get into creative writing, for people maybe in the marketing space or in the advertising space or the digital marketing space. Personally, I'm not too keen on this course, given the kind of courses this creator makes. I mean, you'll see a lot of videos from this creator on making money online and YouTube, making money on YouTube. But there's no harm in learning. Maybe if you can go through this, it's not very long, only 1.5 hours. You might maybe get some new information, and that could come in handy. You don't lose anything by learning. So that's it, guys. We've given you 10 courses. Please make sure you enroll for them as quickly as possible.